Welcome, this is Black Lotus, your YouTube script kiddie. Today I'm going to go over a LeetCode problem called Non-Decreasing Array. Despite being a medium level problem, I actually struggled with this one for quite some time. The problem is, given an array nums with n integers, your task is to check if it could become non-decreasing by modifying at least one element. So this is a variation on isIncreasing, where you basically check to see if an array of integers has numbers that increase from left to right. The trick to this one, and I quickly realized, is that in addition to performing a sliding window like you would with isIncreasing, you need to perform a second sliding window for n and n plus 2 indices. And so I did that initially, and I checked the consecutive integers first and then the spaced out integers second. The problem with that is it only passed 312 out of 335 tests. And you come across problems like this input, 3423, where it unfortunately does not meet the first condition, which is checking to see if the consecutive numbers sum to a value greater than 1. So in this example, it will only see 4 is greater than 2 and immediately return true. The trick to this problem took me a while to figure out, is that you actually have to switch the sliding windows. And so you would perform the n and n plus 2 sliding window first. If the value is greater than 1, then you know that this array cannot be modified to have non-decreasing values. If it meets that condition, or if it actually does not meet that condition, you would then perform the second sliding window to check the consecutive numbers. If it's 0 or 1, then you know that can be modified. If not, then it cannot be modified. And that passes all 335 tests, and I think it has a pretty respectable time of 200 milliseconds. So that's how you perform non-decreasing array on LeetCode. Thanks for watching, and hope you got something out of it.